In this video I am going to explain how to make NOR gate by using CMOS technology. Okay, first of all this is PMOS connected in series and NMOS connected in parallel. Okay, gate of one CMOS, one PMOS connected with this NMOS, and this PMOS gate connected with this NMOS, and this is VD voltage. Okay, this is A, this is B. Okay, suppose property of NMOS, property of NOR gate is when you apply 0 0 here, then output is in case of NOR gate output A plus B bar 0 0 0 and terminal output 1. When you apply 0 1, then output 0 1 1 1 output 0 1 0 output 0 1 1 output 0. Means if any one input is 1, then output 0. If both the input 0, then output 1. This is property of NOR gate. So in this circuit, look at it. PMOS activate what? When we apply 0, then PMOS activate, and when you apply 1, then NMOS activate. So take an output through this terminal. Okay, so first of all apply 0 to this terminal A. So what happened? This PMOS active. Okay, and apply 0 here, then this PMOS also active, both PMOS active. Then this VDD voltage come at this point, means output state, means output, if both the A and B are 0, then output is 1. If you apply 0 here and 1 at terminal B, then what happened? This PMOS active and this second PMOS deactive, because here 1 apply here, then this PMOS deactive, means here circuit break, open circuit. This PMOS work as a open circuit, and this is short, means this output coming through the here and here, but there are no output to the at that point. So in this case, when you apply 1, then this NMOS activate, means this ground going through this channel to this output point, means output 0. So when you apply 1 here and 0 here, then this PMOS deactivate, again this output not come at that point. When you apply 1 1, then both the PMOS deactive and both NMOS active, means this 0 volt ground voltage coming to the output point, means output again 0. So the property of NOR gate, this circuit show the property of NOR gate. So by using CMOS we make NOR gate, and if you want to convert this circuit into the OR gate, then put one inverter, means NOT gate here, and take an output here. We will see this in next video.